Steps to solve logarithmic equations. You know it's a logarithmic equation if one or all or however many terms have a log or an ln. So number one, if every term on both sides of the equation involves a log or ln, use properties of logarithms to condense each side to a single logarithm. So then you'll have, So what that means is you've rewritten this to be log, let's say, whatever, log base 10u equals log base 10v. If you have a log on both sides, that means u equal v. And then this is the equation you solve. It might be that you have ln of a equals ln of b, and that could be some expression. But you have a ln on both sides, so a equal b, and you solve this equation. Now, number two, if every term does not involve a log or ln, okay, so let's say you have ln of x plus 2 equal, now let's make it minus 2. Hold on. Minus 2 equals ln of y. So if you look at this equation, this term does not have an ln on it. So that's what I'm talking about. Number two, if every term does not involve an log or ln, get all terms with a log or ln on the same side. So let's subtract ln y from both sides and add the 2 to the other side. So now we've got all of our ln's on the same side. Now, take this equation and rewrite the equation. You need to write this as a single log, and that would be ln of x over y equals 2. And then what you would do is change this logarithmic form to exponential form. So that's going to be e to the second, e to what's on the other side of the equal mark, equals x over y. And you won't have two variables, you only have one variable, but this is the equation that you will solve. So just to review, the first thing you do when you're solving a logarithmic equation, see if every term involves a log. That's case 1. If every term does not involve a log, that's case 2.